Hello and welcome. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to set up for a split test of the squeeze page. And in order to do that, we're going to come to our home page and we're going to come to the behavior tab. And you're going to see that there's a link there called experiments. Now, one thing you're going to note is that there is a new plugin called Google Optimize. Now, this is fairly intricate to install, and as of the recording of this video, creating experiments is still available. However, Google does say that the analytics content experiments will be depreciated, which means they will not be supported. For now, we can actually create an experiment very simply by using this button. We're going to give this test a title, and we're going to select a metric, and the metric is going to be obviously our goal. And we're going to determine the percentage of traffic to be sent to the experiment. So we're going to consider sending 50% of the traffic to our experiment. We do want to be notified of any important changes. And now we're going to click Next Step. So what we're going to do here is we're going to first place the web page that we are actually sending traffic to for the opt-in. And then we're going to create a variant page, which is the one that we are comparing to. So we'll need to have created a second opt-in page that's going to be directing people to the same location. Okay, so now we've got two opt-in pages, and one is a test page and the other one is our original page. And now we can click Next Step. So what we're going to do here is we're going to manually insert this code. And we're going to install this code where we are running the experiment. So in Optimize Press, we're just going to add in a new box here. We're going to move it up to the top. We're going to set it up for the header. And we're going to put our code in. Once our code has been entered, we're then going to click Update. And now we can click Next Step. And our experiment is ready to go. You'll notice that Google has already told us that our experiment code has been found, our analytics code has been found, and our experiment is now ready to go. When we click Start Experiment, we can then start sending traffic to start measuring whether or not one opt-in page is going to do better than another. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.